Hey, it's Rowan Samuel, your Naples realtor with John R. Wood Properties and the Samuel team. We are here at the Colonnade at Park Shore. Feel free to click below on the link to learn more about the Colonnade at Park Shore. But I'm going to walk you around a little bit of this area. So these are villas, and they have either a two-car garage or a one-car garage. There's only a handful of two-car garages, and they go for a premium as far as these particular units. But they're really nice. Typically a 2+10 or a 3+10. There is a kind of a lake in the middle of the complex, and the units are built all around the lake. And also the clubhouse over here, which is to the right, which you can see, a nice pool and fitness facility, clubhouse. Here's the lake I mentioned. So some of these villas are going to have lake views. Other ones will have preserved views, all depending on where they are. The streets are a little narrow here, so not a ton of parking. There is some guest parking on either side, and of course, you know, if you live here, you'll have access to the garages. There are some that are just first floor units, and then also some second floor units. Really nice spot in Park Shore. We're just about maybe 3 blocks to the beach at Park Shore. So if you are a resident at the Colonnade, then if you'd like, you can have access. You can have access to all of the amenities at the beach. It's a couple $100 one time, and then about $100 a year. And you can park right at the beach, at the Park Shore Beach Park. And you can also hang out on the beach there. We also have a bathroom facility there as well, with showers. So it's a very, very nice amenity, because you'll always be able to find a parking spot right by the beach. So this is the Colonnade at Park Shore. Again, this is Rowan Samuel with John R. Wood Properties. You can also visit us on the web at www.lovingnaples.com, or just click the link below to learn a bit more about Colonnade at Park Shore. Thanks for watching.